Hello, I'm Stephanie at Encore Packaging. I'm here to talk to you about our EP190 utility knife. The EP190 is a retractable utility knife that includes a scoring wheel on the back. This scoring wheel allows you to resize any cardboard box. By using the knife on the front to partially cut open the seams, you can then use the scoring wheel to create new folds on the sides. By cutting down and resizing your box, you can easily save 50% on all shipping costs. By saving on one box, the EP190 pays for itself. The scoring wheel allows you to fold the sides evenly. Without the scoring wheel, you'll end up with an uneven edge as shown here. The EP190 is available here at Encore Packaging. Thank you for watching.